Hello friends. So last lecture up to example number 16 over, okay? 15 and 16 both over. So next taking the number 17. 17 is a homogeneous differential equation and initial condition, okay? So power, what is the power? X by y. And if you have any doubt to arrange how to arrange x by y or dx by dy, so subjects are dx by dy. So taking this term other side, so dy other side, then dy downside, dx by dy arrangement is ready. So 2y e raised to x by y dx equal to, taking this bracket other side to interchange terms, 2x e raised to x by y minus y dy. Now dx by dy and this term other side. Two x e raised to x by y minus y upon 2y e raised to x by y. Now separate. This term upon all, so 2 cut, e raised to x by y cut, x by y minus y upon all, y cancel, 1 upon 2 e raised to x by y. Now taking x by y equal to v, x by y equal to v, x equal to vy. Now here dx by dy, so with respect to y, so dx by dy equal to v plus y dv by dy. Substituting all data in our equation. So dx by dy, v plus y dv by dy. So v plus y dv by dy equal to x by y is v minus 1 upon 2 e raised to v, v minus 1 upon 2 e raised to v. Ready? 2 e raised to v. V cancel. So y dv by dy equal to minus 1 upon 2 e raised to v. Now 2 e raised to v other side, dv minus 1 by y dy. Our separation over. Now taking integration. Both the sides. Done? So 2 integration e raised to v dv minus integration 1 by y dy. 2 e raised to v is e raised to v minus log y and initial condition, so just put here c. Now 2 e raised to v means x by y equal to minus log y plus c. Now putting x equal to 0 and y equal to 1 in our equation number 1. X equal to 0 and y equal to 1 in equation number 1. So x equal to 0 and y equal to 1. So 2 e raised to x equal to 0 and y equal to 1. 0 upon 1 means 0. So e raised to 0. equal to log y minus log y is 1 and plus c. Any power 0 is 1, so here 2 and here 0 plus c. It means c equal to 2. Or putting the value of c in equation number 1. Therefore, 2 e raised to x by y equal to minus log y plus 2. Okay? So this is our final answer of example number 17. बराबर? And I think ये आंसर रखो लो log y नेगेटिव है तो टेक अदर साइड तो 2 e raised to x by y plus log y and equal to 2. So this is the arrangement. Ready? So this is your example number 17. For next and I think last example of 9.5 homogeneous is so that number 18 so that the family of curves for which the slope of the tangent is x square plus y square by 2xy is given by x square minus y square equal to cx. It means if slope of the tangent equal to x square plus y square upon 2xy, then prove that the equation x square minus y square equal to cx. Are you ready? So here slope of the tangent, the slope of the tangent is x square plus y square upon 2xy. We know that slope of the tangent is denoted by dy by dx and it is x square plus y square by 2xy. Slope of the tangent is denoted by dy by dx and it is x square plus y square upon 2xy. So dy by dx equal to x square plus y square upon 2xy. Now separate. Dy by dx equal to x square upon all. So 1 time x cancel. 1 by 2 x by y plus 1 by 2 and 1 time y cancel. So y by x. Now dy by dx. So obviously y by x equal to v. Now taking y by x equal to v. So y equal to vx. Dy by dx equal to v plus x dv by dx. Are putting all data in our equation. So dy by dx v plus x dv by dx. Equal to 1 by 2 x by y. Y by x equal to v. So x by y equal to 1 upon v. So 1 upon 2v. Plus y by x is a v. So v by 2. Now taking v other side. So x dv by dx 1 by 2v plus v by 2 and minus v. So x dv by dx equal to 2v LCM. So here 2v, so 1, here only 2, so multiply by v, so v square minus 2v multiply, so 2v square upon LCM 2v. So x dv by dx equal to 1 minus v square and upon 2v. Ready? So 1 minus v square is right or v square minus 1 is right? Obviously v square minus 1 is right. So minus common and as it is. minus common v square minus 1 and upon 2v. चलो next step 2v upon v square minus 1 dv equal to minus 1 by x dx. Now integration both the sides. So integration 2v upon v square minus 1 dv minus integration 1 by x dx. What is the method? 2v upon v square minus 1, not 1 upon 2v upon. So v square equal to t. Rough work. V square equal to t. तो 2v dv equal to dt. तो 1 dt upon t minus 1 log mod t minus 1. तो log mod v square minus 1 equal to minus log x plus c. Plus c नहीं. This is not initial. All log तो log c. Log mod v square minus 1 and log c by x. Okay, log log cancel. Or putting v, what is v? Y by x. Okay, जो एक ध्यान में रखना आप, जनरली तो कहीं पर भी हम मोड नहीं लिखते हैं, वो तो राइट है. नाउ यहां पर टर्म कौन सी बन रही है? वाई स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. हमें क्या प्रूव करना है? एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस वाई स्क्वायर. इफ योर सम लाइक जस्ट गेट द इक्वेशन, अगर प्रूफ टाइप नहीं है, जस्ट गेट द इक्वेशन, तो आपका आंसर राइट होता है कि वाई स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. हमें एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस वाई स्क्वायर प्रूव करना है. तो क्या करेंगे हम? मोड एज इट इज, रिमूव नहीं करना है. हेलो, सो मोड y square minus x square upon x square c by x. In the mode, आप y square minus x square लिखो कि x square minus y square. In the mode same. पहले मोड में इंटरचेंज करो x square minus y square upon x square and then remove the mode. X square minus y square upon x square c by x and one time x cancel and x other side multiply. तो आंसर x square minus y square equal to cx. प्रूव करना था इसलिए हमने ये सारे स्टेप्स किए. बराबर. अगर प्रूव करना है आपको तो मोड रखो. तो यहां पर अगर आपको y square minus x square मिल रहा है तो we need x square minus y square. तो interchange the terms and answer is ready. Done? This is your example 18 and here our homogeneous method over. Hello friends. So now 9.1 order and degree. Simple exercise. 9.2. Just take the derivation and get the answer. Derivation method. 9.2 is only derivation method. बराबर. 9.3 is our preparation of differential equation. Preparation of differential equation means differential equation बनाओ, means dy by dx बनाओ. तो derivation method सेम, arbitrary constant. 9.4 is the first method of solution of differential equation. It means remove dy and dx and get the xy type answer. Means integration method number 1. Just separate the dy and dx and then take both the sides integration. 9.5 होमोजीनियस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन जो हमने अभी पूरा कर लिया है। एंड नाउ 9.6 मेथड नेम इज लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन। हियर नो सेपरेट, नो टेक इंटीग्रेशन, just apply this method and then over. Here solution is given. You need to remember this equation. You have to put this equation and you have to substitute the terms, and so solution is possible after substituting all the value. चलो समझो यहां पर लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन। हाँ, होमोजीनियस में क्या था, x बाई वाई और y बाई एक्स, तो dx बाई dy और dy बाई dx। तो हियर सेम कि भाई व्हाट इज योर लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन। अगर ये इक्वेशन कैसा होगा तो ये लीनियर है। तो dy बाई dx स्टार्टिंग विद द dy बाई dx और dx बाई dy, देन वन बाई वन करते हैं, दोनों मिक्स नहीं करते हैं। इफ इक्वेशन केस नंबर 1 dy बाई dx विथ कोएफिशिएंट 1 plus y into x term and equal to x term. It means here y fix with the y term is p of x. Like अगर यहाँ पर 2y है, चलो 2y, तो y fix with the y, what is the term 2? तो p of x is 2 and suppose here 3, तो q of x is 3, but यहाँ पर y नहीं होना चाहिए। In the first part here y is not possible, constant possible and x term possible. अगर यहां पर x है, चलो ये by 2xy and 3x, okay, तो with the y term is 2x, तो p of x equal to 2x and q of x is all 3x. तो dy by dx coefficient 1 and y fix plus y fix, तो y into p of x and equal to q of x is the linear differential equation. ओके, तो अभी तो हमने क्या किया, ओनली एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ इक्वेशन। dy by dx कोएफिशिएंट 1 प्लस y fix y into p of x and other side q of x is linear equation. Now solution. So which term is fixed, dy by dx तो y fix, तो स्टार्टिंग विद dy सॉल्यूशन आपको याद रखना है, y into e raised to integration p of x, integration is in power of e, so e raised to integration p of x equal to integration q of x into e raised to p of x dx integration and whole dx, means this integration dx, y into e raised to integration p of x dx left side over equal to integration q of x into e raised to integration p of x dx and whole dx. So where this e raised to integration p of x dx is called integrating factor if. This is called if. If means integrating factor. Okay. So this is your case number 1. Now case number 2. Dx by dy with coefficient 1 and dx by dy, so x fix and with the x p of y, other side q of y is called linear differential equation. dx by dy तो y fix, dx by dy तो x fix. Okay, चलो now solution, x fix x, now y form e raised to integration p of y dy equal to integration q of y into e raised to integration p of y dy and whole dy, and same this part is called integration e raised to integration p of y dy is called integrating factor if. Done? चलो, तो here explanation of linear differential equation over. अभी हम अप्लाई करेंगे in 9.6. ओके, चलो आपको एक इक्वेशन याद होना चाहिए and solution must remember. Without solution we cannot find the difference solution of linear differential equation. ओके, चलो तो नेक्स्ट हम स्टार्ट करेंगे 9.6. हेलो, एक्सरसाइज नंबर 9.6, फर्स्ट सम, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. dy by dx plus 2y and equal to sin x. चलो, dy by dx coefficient is 1, okay. y fix done. So this is p of x and this is Q of x. So first write the data. P of x equal to 2 and Q of x equal to sin x. Hello, next work is IF. Integrating factor IF. What is IF? E raised to integration P of x dx. E raised to integration P of x is 2 and dx. So e raised to 2x and do not put here c. यहाँ पर नहीं करना है IF. E raised to 2x. Done? So now solution. And always write first solution formula and then put the data. Dy by dx and y. So starting with the y into e raised to integration P of x dx equal to integration Q of x into e raised to integration P of x dx whole dx. Ready? Now putting all data. Y. So this one direct. E raised to integration P of x dx answer is only e raised to 2x equal to. Now put the value of Q of x which is sin x into e raised to 2x. This part is 2x and dx. So left part answer is over. But we don't know about the right part. So this is the equation 1 and R. Y. हमें करना क्या है यहाँ पर? UV प्रोडक्ट UV मेथड. बराबर आपको याद होना चाहिए कि UV मेथड में क्या हो रहा था? साइन बिकम्स कॉस एंड कॉस बिकम्स साइन एंड देन पुट I. तो हमें I सपोज करना पड़ेगा. सो मार्किंग दिस वन. ओके चलो लेट suppose I equal to integration e raised to 2x sin x dx. Okay, let I equal to this integration. Now we need the solution UV method. So U equal to LIA T E. T is sin e raised to. So U is sin, V is e raised to 2x. Okay, so let U equal to sin x and V equal to e raised to 2x. So I equal to U as it is means sin x as it is integration V e raised to 2x dx minus integration two terms d by dx of u. So d by dx of u means sin x and integration v means e raised to 2x dx whole dx. Ready? Now therefore I equal to sin x e raised to 2x is e raised to 2x by 2 minus integration d by dx of sin cos into e raised to 2x integration e raised to 2x by 2 and dx. Now 1 by 2 common and here again applying UV rule. We know that. So I e raised to 2x by 2 into sin x minus 1 by 2 outside and in the bracket applying UV rule. So u is cos and v is e raised to 2x. So u as it is means cos x as it is. Integration of v means integration of e raised to 2x dx minus integration two terms d by dx of u. So d by dx of cos into integration of v. So e raised to 2x integration dx whole dx and bracket over. Therefore I equal to e raised to 2x by 2 into sin x minus 1 by 2 and bracket cos x as it is. Again e raised to 2x integration is e raised to 2x by 2 minus integration d by dx of cos is minus sine into e raised to 2x integration e raised to 2x by 2 and dx. Now so I e raised to 2x by 2 sin x. Now minus 1 by 2 multiply. So minus 1 by 2 into 2 minus 1 by 4 e raised to 2x means e raised to 2x by 4 cos x. Now minus into minus into minus, so minus 1 by 2 into this 1 by 2, 1 by 4 outside and integration e raised to 2x sin x dx. मैंने पहले ही बोला था आपको याद होना चाहिए कि sin becomes cos and cos becomes sin. Now e raised to 2x and sin x, which is our I. So here putting I and plus c dash. E raised to 2x by 2 sin x. E raised to 2x by 4 cos x. 1 by 4 into I n plus c dash. Now 1 by 4 into I means I by 4 taking other side. So I plus I by 4 equal to these two terms e raised to 2x and e raised to 2x by 4. So e raised to 2x taking outside. So bracket 1 by 2 sin x minus 1 by 4 cos x and plus c dash. Now 4 LCM. 4i plus I, 5i by 4. E raised to 2x. 1 by 2 sin x minus 1 by 4 cos x plus c dash. Now 4 upside 5 downside. ये जो 4 upside होगा ना वो 4 inside multiply कर दो like I equal to जो e raised to 2x upon 5 only bracket and 4 here multiply तो 4 multiply with the bracket तो 4 here तो 4 by 2 is 2 sin x minus 4 for cut and cos x plus c dash में क्या होगा जो 5 अगर आप 5 यहां पर ले रहे हो तो होल डिवाइड 5 होगा ना तो यहां पर भी c dash by 5 होगा and 4 upside it means 4 c dash by 5. So this is the answer of I. Okay. Now putting the value of I in equation number 1. तो यहां पर आपको ये लाइन लिखनी है क्या पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ I in equation number 1. यहां पर आप ये वो लाइन लिखोगे तो आंसर क्या होगा फाइनली y into e raised to 2x equal to this integration is I and answer of I e raised to 2x by 5 bracket 2 sin x minus cos x and plus only c where c equal to 4 c dash by 5. रेडी जनरली क्या होगा ये तो लेंदी था इसलिए साइड में करना पड़ा बाकी तो शॉर्ट है चलो और तो लीनियर सम फर्स्ट सम एंड सॉल्यूशन इज रेडी ओके ऑलराइट फ्रेंड्स तो नेक्स्ट टेकिंग द नंबर 2 and number 3 dy by dx coefficient is 1 and dy by dx तो y fix So this is our P of x and this term is Q of x. Our first data, P of x equal to 3 and Q of x equal to e raised to minus 2x. Next work, IF. Integrating factor, IF. E raised to integration P of x dx. So e raised to integration P of x is 3. So 3 dx. So e raised to 3x. Okay. So now solution. dy by dx and y fixed. So start with dy. Y into e raised to integration P of x dx. Equal to integration Q of x into e raised to integration P of x dx and whole dx. Or putting all data y e raised to integration P of x dx answer e raised to 3x. Integration Q of x is e raised to minus 2x into e raised to integration P of x answer e raised to 3x. So y into e raised to 3x. Here base same, to addition of power 3x minus 2x x dx. Simple. So answer y into e raised to 3x equal to e raised to x is e raised to x and plus c. And this is the answer of your sum. Done? ये था आपका number 2. And next, taking the number 3. dy by dx, coefficient 1. And here y fix, upside y fix. And so with the y, what is the term with the y? 1 upon x. So P of x is 1 upon x and other side Q of x. The first one data, P of x is 1 by x. Q of x is x square. Next work, IF. E raised to integration P of x dx. So e raised to integration P of x is 1 by x. Dx. E raised to 1 by x is e raised to integration 1 by x is log x. चलो वी नो, आपके पास डिफरेंशिएशन में आपने रूल देख लिया होगा, जनरली हमने इंटीग्रेशन में भी देखा है कि 2 टाइम e and here 1, तो आंसर इज x. So answer of IF is x. Now putting the solution. और y fix ना, dy by dx तो y fix, तो y e raised to integration P of x dx equal to integration Q of x into e raised to integration P of x dx or dx. Now putting all data. Here y, okay, e raised to integration P of x dx means IF, and IF answer is x. Integration Q of x, which is x square, into e raised to integration P of x dx, which is IF, and answer x. चलो ये तो सिंपल हो गया. एक्स वाई इंटीग्रेशन x cube, ready? X into x square x cube. Now integration of x cube. So xy equal to x raised to 4 by 4 and plus c. ओके, चलो अभी आपका जो ये कोई फर्स्ट सम में तो थोड़ा डाउट होगा क्योंकि लेंथी था, अलग से करना पड़ा हमें. यहाँ पर तो कंटिन्यू, कोई भी डेटा हार्ड नहीं है, ठीक है। चलो तो नंबर 2 एंड नंबर 3 ओवर, इट मीन्स 9.63 sums over. चलो वी विल स्टार्ट और नेक्स्ट लेक्चर विद द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, ओके।